Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devin. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'd be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. Lip look is using my Morphe Bite Me lip liner yet again. Y'all, I really do love this brown lip liner and I'm so happy to have found it. And over top I just have an old MAC lip gloss, and this is from the Aaliyah collection, and this is Brooklyn Born. So it's a really like metallic looking, almost champagne-y type of color, and I really do love this one and enjoy it. So yeah, you guys, that is my lip combo for the day. And in today's video, you guys, we're going to be doing our pool essentials bag. Okay, we're going to talk about my pool bag and all the things that I need, that you might need in your bag. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. My bag right here in front. Now, I know everyone loves the bog bags, but I'm personally not paying $100 for a bag to wear just to the pool, because that's the only place I'm taking this bag. I got this one last year and I want to say I got it from Five Below or Walmart. It was one or the other. They definitely both sell them. They have them in stock now in a ton of different colors. I was really close to getting a pink bag this year, but I want like a neon pink and I've only seen light pink. So I pulled it down. I said I was gonna put some like little gibbets in here. I still have not, y'all, but it's whatever. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I put in this pool bag for us. Usually it's just me and my daughter. Sometimes it's me, my daughter, my son, and my husband. It just depends. But this past weekend, it was me and my daughter. We went to my best friend's house and we got in her pool. So the first thing you have to keep in here, and all this stuff is clean, by the way, because I literally just washed all this stuff and just threw it in here. So the first thing you need is a towel. Okay, you need a beach towel of some sort. Y'all, this is my pink towel that came from Victoria's Secret. It was a free gift we purchased a couple of years ago. I actually have a couple of these. So this is my towel that I use. And then we have my daughter's towel. She's had other towels, but this is the current one she's using. And I think this one came from Five Below. So you have to have a towel in here. Okay, we're going swimming, so you have to have your swimming suit. Okay, so these are our swimming suits that were washed, so I just have them in here. And I do want to get me another really cute swimsuit, because I have a couple swimsuits, but I usually like to wear one pieces around other people's children's, and I have no problem with other people wearing two pieces if that's what you choose. I just choose to wear a one piece. Also, weight gain. So I wear my one piece and then I usually throw some shorts over it, so I have some shorts. And then my daughter actually has this little cover thing. She has a little cover up, so she wears this over hers. Something else that we keep in here is our snack bag. Now this one my daughter got last year. My aunt purchased her. This is a insulated bag from Trader Joe's. I did recently just purchase one and it's blue, but this is the pink one. So inside of here we usually have all of our snacks that we're gonna eat. So obviously it's nothing in here currently because we ain't going nowhere and I need to clean this out, but I usually have all the snacks. So I will have some juice in here, I will have like some fruits in here, maybe some fruit snacks, maybe a granola bar, some candy, just all the things. And a lot of stuff actually fits in here, so I put that in here. I'm always taking a tumbler. This is not the one I've been taking. This is the one I had gave my husband to use when he's in the car. But this was just sitting in here, so I grabbed this. But I'm always taking my Stanley cups. Now, if I'm being realistic, I usually take two. One has water in it and one has grown-up drinks in it. So it just depends on the mood. Sometimes it could be wine, sometimes it could be vodka, like sometimes it could be whiskey. It just depends. Okay, it depends on what we're doing. But I always have two water bottles. One has actual water that the kids can drink from and one is mommy's. Okay, so we gotta have that. I know some people probably be like, why would you drink in a hot sun, baby? Because I'm grown and that's what I do. Okay, then also something in here I have is my daughter's little floaty. Now we're actually probably going to be getting rid of this one and not use this anymore because supposedly they're not that great, but she loves this thing since she was little. My daughter does not know how to swim. She is taking swimming this year, so she will be learning how to swim. and I do not know how to swim. I do not like water, okay? I'm not really a water person, but my husband does and all of the things. So yeah, but she's always good. My best friend swims, her son, my husband, whoever we're with, somebody know how to swim, and she don't really need it. She loves water, y'all. But this was the one that she has had for the last, I think, 2 years, maybe 3. But we're going to be getting rid of that one pretty soon, and we're gonna just get her a vest. But again, she's gonna start swimming soon, so hopefully she'll learn to swim. We also keep a swim cap in here. Now, no one ever uses it, but we have it just in case. We also have goggles in here because my daughter loves goggles. I've actually had a few. I don't know where the other goggles are. They're always missing, but I'm gonna get some new ones from Amazon. They have some good ones that I want to get. And then usually we have like little toys in here. Again, I don't know where they are, but these are okay. All right, this still has water in it. I have to empty that out before it gets moldy, but this is like it's called water balloon. It's like a water balloon, but it's an animal, and you just kind of put the water in here, you throw it at people. That needs to be clean. I didn't know that was in here. Okay, and then the last thing that's in here is my pool essentials bag. Okay, so this is from Sol de Janeiro. I got this a couple years ago, and I've been using this ever since. So I have sunscreen in here, a ton of it. Okay, so first of all, I always keep a perfume in here. This is the perfume that I currently keep in here. This is my Vacation by Vacation. I love this scent. I've talked about this in numerous videos. I also have the shimmering oil as well, so I use this mainly on myself because I like to glow, and it also has SPF in it, so it protects you. Okay, so I have that. I also have my Black Girl sunscreen in here. I use this on me, on baby, on the kids, whoever. And I tried to use this on my face, but I don't really like this on my face. I think it had broke me out. I probably need to try the matte one and see if that works better for my face, but I have this. Yeah, I keep a ton of sunscreen in here just in case. I actually have these 2 smaller sunscreens in here that I got from one of my YouTube friends. So she sent me these over. She sent me 2 big ones as well of the same scent. So we have Waikiki Beach Coconut and then At the Beach. So I just keep the small ones in here, and then if I need to refill them with the big ones, I will. So I keep both of these in here. I also have the Sun Bum Mist in here. This is a refreshing mist with sunscreen in it. I have this one, and I put this all over face, body, hair, everything. All right, I also have it's a ridiculous amount of sunscreen in here. I also have the Vacation Chardonnay oil in here, the SPF 30, so I keep that in here. Then I have this Super Goop. This is what I was using on my face at one point. I can't remember if I like this, but I was using that on my face. I also was using the La Roche-Posay on my face, 50 broad spectrum or something sunscreen, so I keep that in there for my face. I also keep hair ties in here because I have hair, my daughter has hair, so you just never know. I also keep hand sanitizer. I'm actually gonna switch this out for probably a spray hand sanitizer because I just put this one in here, but I'm gonna switch it out for a spray. I also keep a lip gloss in here because sometimes my lip is chapped. I do want to go ahead and get me a lip product with SPF in it. I know Bath and Body Works has a few of them, so if you guys know any lip products that has SPF in it, let me know because I would use that. Then I have these lens wipes. I keep these because sometimes I have my glasses on, sometimes I don't, so I have to keep these in here. The very last thing that was in here was another body spray, and this is just to smell good. So I like body sprays. I usually spray myself before I leave the house with whatever I'm gonna wear and that I'm keeping in here just to have and smell nice. So yeah, guys, that is everything that is in this little pool bag. I promised y'all last year I was gonna do a pool essentials bag. I never did. This was the year we're gonna do it. If you can think of anything that I might be missing, feel free to let me know. Do I need to add anything else in here? And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you in another video. Bye, guys.